Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to another Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a fun mummy. So I think this mummy is going to turn out pretty cute. I'm going to draw him so he's walking forward. He's going to have his little hands out. He's going to be stepping forward. I think it's going to be a great picture for Halloween. Alright, so before we get started, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. All right, so I'm going straight in with a black marker, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can go and start with pencil and then draw over with marker, or you don't even have to use marker at all. Totally up to you. All right, so I'm going to start with his eyeballs. So I'm going to do a little eye. Actually, that's a big eye. I'm going to do a big eye, and then I'm going to do another eye, and they don't have to be perfectly the same. You see the two of these, they're different sizes. They don't have to be the same at all. All right, so from there, I'm going to kind of go out a little bit like that, not a straight line, and it's going to curve in. So he's smiling. Yeah. And I'm going to give him some silly little rounded teeth and the bottom of his mouth. Okay. And now the inside of his mouth like that. And I can color it in the inside of his mouth here. Color that in black. Okay, now the top of his head. I'm gonna put one strip there, another strip, another line. These lines here are the strips that he's wrapped up in. All right, so right here, I'm gonna make it flow all the way out. So this piece is coming off of him. He's starting to unravel a little bit. All right, so we're gonna do an arm now. So I'm starting with the shoulder, do a little line like that, round it, and then come on out. And I'm going to give him some fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come on back in. And then on the other side, gotta give him his other hand. So 1, his little thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5. And bring it back into his body. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other part of his head, the back of his head, just a little line. And then from the shoulder spot, I'm going to round out his back. Okay. And from here, we're going to do his leg, his little foot. Connect it back to the back side. Now I'm going to give him a little belly. And now his other foot is going to be coming out here. Like that. Okay, so we got to do all kinds of lines all over the place now. Actually, before we do all his little lines all over the place for his strips of mummy fabric, I'm going to put one strip there, and I'm going to put a line going down here and a line going here. So this part of them stays open, like this part is unmummy wrapped. So that's like his skin is showing. Now everything else, I'm gonna put little lines all over the place. So it doesn't matter what kind of lines you want to do. You don't have to match the ones I'm doing at all. They could be going any which way. All up to you. And who knows, maybe he's got other little bits hanging off him. Like right there. It's all up to you. And I've got a little bit, I got his mouth uncovered, but maybe your mummy has a lot more uncovered. Maybe he's got like a full leg uncovered. Who knows? It's your mummy, it's your art. You can do whatever you want with it. No two mummies look exactly the same. Alright, so we're almost done all these little wrap fabric bits. Okay, I'm gonna give him some ground here that he's running on. Okay, now I'm gonna start to color him in. Alright, so this mummy has been kind of, dead for a while. So I'm gonna make his skin kind of greeny, bluey-ish. I think I'll also give him some fingers here that are unwrapped, unmummied, unmummified. Yeah, like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of blue over that too. Kind of looks like he could be a mummified frog. And hey, if you want to draw a mummified frog, go for it. Alright, so his strips of fabric, I'm going to add little bits of gray here and there. Because I'm sure none of these bits of fabric are all totally white. Maybe some of them even have a little bit of light yellow. Who knows? But the fabric is probably not totally clean. It's been a long time. He's been cooped up in a sarcophagus. He's probably not squeaky clean. Also, feel free to use crayons, leads, whatever you want to color with. I sometimes, well, I often use markers, but you don't have to use markers. But it's all up to you. You should let me know too in the comments below what you think this mummy is running from, or maybe he's running towards something. Curious to know what you think. And maybe he is a mummified frog. You tell me. Okay, so almost done with this gray. All right, so now the ground, I'm gonna put some brown there. He's running on the dirt. If you want, you can make your mummy running on Maybe he's running on grass and you can make it green and maybe add some spiky bits of grass. Or maybe he's running on all kinds of gravelly rocks or black pavement. Okay, so we are almost on our picture. I'm actually going to add some like orange blobs all over the background. I think it will really help make this picture pop. And I think orange is obviously a great color choice because orange is such a Halloween-y color. So I'm gonna have some orange bits all over our background. And I'm gonna use different color oranges just for some added interest. We are almost done. And go in with that bright orange again. All right, everybody, so we are done our fun little mummy. I think he turned out super duper cute. Feel free to let me know in the comments what you thought, if you think he's cute too. If you think he looks like a mummified frog, you can tell me that too. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you next time for the next Daily Doodles. All right, bye everybody.